In this video, we will guide you through the unboxing and setup of DJI Pocket 2 and DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Open the outer case of DJI Pocket 2, take out the DJI Pocket 2 cover, and then take out the DJI Pocket 2. Remove the yellow shipping foam. Take out the accessory boxes and remove the accessories, which include one DJI Pocket 2 mini control stick that connects to the universal port to control gimbal rotation, one Osmo Pocket smartphone adapter to connect smartphones with a Type-C port, one for connecting Apple smartphones, one DJI Pocket tripod mount 1/4 inch to attach to the bottom of DJI Pocket 2 and connect to 1/4 inch tripods for placing the set on surface. We suggest attaching the DJI Pocket tripod mount 1/4 inch together with the tripod whenever detaching it from Pocket 2. One USB-C power cable, one DJI wrist strap to be attached to the lanyard hole on the side of DJI Pocket 2 for more secure holding. In addition to these accessories, the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo has the following accessories. One DJI Pocket 2 Do-It-All handle that integrates a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, wireless mic receiver, external speaker, and tripod mount. DJI wireless microphone transmitter that has a built-in omnidirectional microphone. One DJI wireless microphone windscreen as a cover for the DJI wireless microphone. One DJI Pocket 2 micro tripod that fits the DJI Pocket 2 tripod mount 1/4 inch or the DJI Pocket 2 Do-It-All handle. Once unfolded and mounted, you can stand Pocket 2 upright on a level surface. One DJI Pocket 2 wide-angle lens to increase the field of vision to 110 degrees. One DJI USB splitter charging cable, Type A to Type C, to charge DJI Pocket 2 and the DJI wireless microphone transmitter. Before activating DJI Pocket 2, please download and install DJI Mimo app. Press and hold the power button on the right side to turn on DJI Pocket 2. Remove the DJI Pocket 2 cover and connect your phone to DJI Pocket 2 with Lightning or USB-C smartphone adapter, according to the phone type. The DJI Mimo app will automatically launch on your phone. Enable Get Device Info to give the server access to activation information. Tap Next and log into or sign up for a DJI account. After login, tap Activation. Make sure the phone is connected to an internet that is running smoothly. After successful activation, the app will prompt Activation Success. Go one step further and purchase or activate the DJI Care Refresh plan for affordable replacements with Express and more exclusive benefits. DJI Pocket 2 comes with a power button, a shutter record button, and a function button. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to power on. Press the function button once to quickly switch between video and photo mode. In camera view, you can tap the camera icon on the bottom left corner to set photo ratio and countdown timer. Press the shutter record button to take a photo. In video mode, you can tap the recording icon on the bottom left to set the resolution and frame rate. After the settings, press the shutter record button to take a video. During shooting, press and hold the shutter record button to stop recording. Press the button once to take another video. Press the function button twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to switch the camera between facing forward and backward. Press and hold to completely lock the gimbal. The touchscreen displays battery level, shooting mode, and micro SD card information. Scroll the slider on the right to control pitch and zoom. Swipe left on the touchscreen to enter settings of the shooting mode, and swipe up or down to select a shooting mode among panorama, photo, video, slow motion, and time-lapse. Swipe left again to adjust parameters in different modes. Then press the function button once to go back to the previous interface, or press the shutter record button once to return to the camera view. Swipe right in the camera view to the playback interface. Scroll the screen to view footage and photos. Swipe right to add favorites or delete the file. You can select multiple files by tapping on the batch select icon, and swipe right to operate. Swipe down on the touchscreen to enter settings. Here, you can set the slider on the right to pitch control or zoom control. If it is set as pitch control, slide up and down in the camera view to control the tilt axis. If it is set as zoom control, slide up and down to change the zoom. Tap the settings icon to enter the settings interface, where you can adjust parameters for DJI Pocket 2 and accessories. Tap the glamour effects icon to turn the function on or off. In the camera mode, you can choose ultra high pixel. In the video mode, you can switch between high quality and battery saver. Tap the Pro settings icon to enable Pro mode. Swipe up on the touchscreen to enter gimbal settings. You can choose between recenter, flip, slow follow, fast follow, and tilt locked FPV. Follow